Thanks, Miss Corn. This is Michelle Aramore, and I was going to show you my code. Starting off with my view controller H, I have my text field strings, buttons, text views, mutable strings, alerts, outlets, etc. In my view control, in view did load, I've got my get instance data storage, my all events, which is a mutable string, my NS user defaults, which is my formatted events on my save data key. This is my code to set up my swipe gesture. This is my on save. I did have problems with save. It was finally saving and displaying, but it would only display the last entered data, and I was trying to get that to work. And then my alert, I was trying to get the save button to alert if there was no data entered, that you needed to enter an event, and if there is data entered, then it would say your event has been saved, but it was only displaying the save, whether there was data or not. Here's where you actually save and then you dismiss, and then here's my swiper, and this is my singleton code, and then date view, all of the outlets and strings, text fields, etc. And my swipe gesture, my singleton, my keyboard action to close it, my text field for the event, my date picker, my swiper, and then my data storage. I've got my string value and date string, and then data storage. And now we'll move on to the actual app in action. Here is my app, and as you can see, I already have some data saved in here. The issue arose in that my data was being replaced. Once I closed out, usually only displayed the last entered data. Now it will display the data, all the data that I enter, but after closing it only displays the last data. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to swipe. My swipe you show opens the next screen. I'm going to enter an event. There's my keyboard. Close the keyboard and swipe left. There, sorry. As you can see, once I what was displayed was previously saved data. I closed out, it displayed Thanksgiving. I forgot to change the date for Christmas, but I'm going to save that, and I'm going to add a new one. This time I'll actually put the correct date for Christmas. Okay, close keyboard, swipe left. And as you can see, I've got Christmas with the wrong date and Christmas with the correct date. I'm going to click save. Let me go ahead and show you. Save. Your event has been saved. The only issue with this save is that before I even enter any data, it's still saying your event has been saved, and I was working on fixing that. I'm going to enter one more, New Year's Day. Swipe left, and there you have, don't know if you can see that, New Year's Day. I'm going to save it. Your event has been saved. Close, and now I'm going to close out, stop it, and then I will restart, and you'll see the issue that I was having. Let's restart. And as you can see, it has saved data, but it's only displaying the last entered. I'm still going to work on trying to figure out what's going on. And it's been a pleasure having your class, and I hope to see you in future classes.